Hey guys, how you doing? Lian Price here with Super Sister Fitness, and I'm so excited because today we're gonna do a killer ab workout. This workout is not for the faint of heart. It's gonna make you super sore, but I'm excited because it's gonna get you those nice, toned, sexy abs for the summertime. So let's check it out. If you guys wanna see more ab workouts coming from Super Sister Fitness, make sure you like this video, comment below, and subscribe. Let's go. Okay, so our first move, we're gonna use a BOSU, a dumbbell about 8 to 10 pounds, and a band. You can use any, light to medium resistance, I would say, for your exercise band. You're gonna make sure, this is important, your placement of the band. You're gonna make sure that it's just above the knees. So that's securely in place. Grab your dumbbell, then position yourself so that your booty is just above the ground. If you look at like the first ring of the BOSU, your booty should be right around there depending on your height. Then you're gonna put your dumbbell behind your neck, lay back so you're actually looking upside down, and come up and do a double crunch with a bent knee. So for this move, I wanna do 30 reps, but I'm gonna break it down so that the first 10 reps are on the first leg, then the second 10 reps are obviously on the second leg. Then we return to the first leg for 5 reps. Then we go to the second leg for the final 5 reps, and that's 30 repetitions total. So I think I'm on 8 here. Whew, 9. And I'm gonna switch it. 1, 2, 3. Nice job, you guys. 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 more, and we are going back to the first leg. 1, just 5 here. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then the final 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is 30. Whew, I'm feeling it. If you don't have a BOSU at home, I do want to add, you can do this on the floor and you'll still definitely feel the good effects from it. Okay, our next move, I'm gonna actually move the BOSU out of the way because we're gonna lie on the floor. We don't need it. And we don't need this band anymore either. So, toss that to the side. We are gonna use our dumbbell though. So you're gonna lie down, have your legs straight up. Now they're gonna stay straight the whole time. By the way, if you wanna give yourself like a 30 to 45 second rest break in between each exercise, that does make sense because you're just hitting ab over and not really switching up any other body parts. Okay, so you have your dumbbell. You can either hold it kind of like with your fingers in a diamond shape, or you can hold it hands stacked one on top of the other. Either one is fine. Touch the ground behind you. Come up and try to touch the dumbbell to your toes. If you don't get it, don't worry about it, but do the best you can. Now, one thing to remember, is that you always want to get your head up off the ground when you're doing this crunch, or you won't get the full effect. So we're gonna go to 20, and then we're actually gonna hold it for 15 seconds. So I believe I'm on 7 right here. The other thing is, natural human tendency is to want to look towards where you're going. I encourage you to keep looking up at the ceiling instead of towards your feet, because that's automatically going to put your neck in a healthier position and protect it from any potential injury. So that's always a good thing. I think that was 15 there. 16. Whew, I'm burning. 17. Try to keep those legs as straight as you can. I know I'm struggling with it. 18. 19, we're coming up on the hold here. Okay, 15-second hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I think I skipped a couple numbers in there, so I went extra long on the pause at the top. Wow, okay, one more move we have in this workout. And by the way, I'm giving myself a second here. What I would like you to do, and we're writing the workout down below this video so that you can check it out. I want you to do 4 sets of the first exercise with the BOSU and the band and the dumbbell, and then 3 sets of the other one. So essentially what I'm having you do is start and end with that first exercise. And the reason why I really want you to do a lot of repetitions is because with abs, they're a high resistance muscle fiber type. So it's important to have weight, have resistance, and also have a ton of reps to really help them grow. So there's that. Let's get into the last move. It's a plank move, but it's a bit dynamic in nature. We're going to be touching our hips down one by one. So when we do this, make sure you actually touch your hip down or it doesn't count. You can't count the rep if you don't touch it. So we're gonna do 24, that's 12 per side. And here we go. 2, 3, 4. Now if you notice, I keep readjusting my feet. That's totally normal. That's totally part of this move because your feet are just gonna go all over the place. That's not normal, or that's not abnormal. You're doing it right. Cool, I wanna say I'm around 10 here, 11, halfway done. Awesome. 15, 16, 17, 18, whew. 4 more, 1 and 2, 3, 4, and we're done. Okay, so that's your first set. You're gonna do this, like I said, 3 times total with the second 2 exercises, number 2, number 3, and 4 times total with the first exercise. Oh my gosh, my abs are burning. That was an amazing workout. I hope you guys feel the same way. Great job out there. If you want to check out more from me, my website is down below, workgrinfly.com. Also, if you want to check out more tips on health, fitness, nutrition, more workout demos, look at my Instagram page too. All of that good stuff is in there. So thanks so much for joining me today on this amazing ab workout, and we'll see you next week.